Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money channel. So there's a lot of speculation out there about XRP price, where it could go, why it'll go there, and right now we're just kind of in crypto limbo, I suppose. XRP hasn't been a great performer as of late, and that is because of the SEC lawsuit. Of course, we did see rallies, we did see artificial pumps, like a couple of weekends ago, that Wall Street Bets style pump. There was a pump group that was trying to raise the price of XRP. It did hit resistance here at this level, so you guys can see that. Let me just delete this circle here to give you guys, a sense of what I'm talking about here. Resistance was originally hit over here at around 80 cents. That pump group did raise the price to about 75 cents, give or take, and then the price came crashing right back down. Then XRP was just kind of hovering. Let me put this on the hourly for you guys. XRP had just been kind of hovering in and around this level for a little while. So support is actually higher than it had been before the pump group took hold. That is the good news. Right now we're seeing the XRP price at around 43 cents. We were hoping we would close the weekly candlestick at about 42.5 cents, which we almost got there. And hopefully this week will bring us some more bullish momentum. Now, of course, what do we have to look at? Bitcoin clearly is doing very, very well. Wow, take a look at this chart. Last time I checked this, Bitcoin price was still hovering around 39,000, now at 41,200. So good indication that the rest of the crypto market is going to rally. And so we take a look at technical analysis. We take a look at fractals. Of course, there's the SEC lawsuit. And I did a video on some more information with regards to the SEC lawsuit. Basically, John Deaton's take on the SEC's lack of actions really does position XRP in a good place. I did talk about Jeremy Hogan and what he foresees the outcome will be, and the timeline for that, guys. I'll link that up here in the top right-hand corner. But now we're eyeing XRP. We're seeing Bitcoin pumping, and we're trying to understand where we could go based on some of these things. So XRP Crypto Wolf posted this. Crypto exchanges drew in more than 300 million website visitors in January. This is big because this is a milestone. The number of visitors to crypto exchange websites surged in January, according to data collected by The Block. Some 344 million visitors flocked to crypto exchanges per similar web data, surpassing December's total of 196 million. So 196 million, I believe, was a record in December. Now we're calculating 344 million visitors flocking in January. This data signifies the highest point since January 2018, when exchange sites drew in roughly 531 million users. Now, this was at the height of the last bull run, and so it just goes to show you, I think it speaks volumes as to where we are going to continue to rally in this bull run. We've also got this, guys, from Michael at Val5Links on Twitter. Popular financial services giant Visa is currently exploring the possibility of offering some digital currencies directly on its platform. Now, this, I believe, is likely a response to the PayPal announcement late last year. They decided to support cryptocurrency payments, and they saw a vast improvement on their platform. More people logging in more often using their PayPal accounts because of cryptocurrency. And so the Visa boss disclosed this is the payment giant's fiscal Q1 2020 earnings call, noting that Visa is looking to ensure cryptocurrency payments are safer, useful, and more generally accepted. Visa already dabbles in crypto through wallet relationships and collaborations like crypto platforms like Crypto.com, BlockFi, Bitpanda, Fold, and several others who, due to their respective partnerships, can issue Visa-branded cards. However, Visa CEO hinted in the announcement that the payments giant is poised towards supporting certain cryptocurrencies directly. Here's a quote: "In this space, we see ways that we can add differentiated value to the ecosystem, and we believe that we are uniquely positioned to help make cryptocurrencies more safe, useful, and applicable for payments through our global presence, our partnership approach, and our trusted brand." So it seems like every day something new is coming out within traditional finance, talking about cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency adoption. Visa, as you know, bought Earthport. That deal was finalized in May 2019, and Earthport is XRP enabled. So Visa, no stranger to adoption when it comes to cryptocurrency. Meanwhile, we've got celebrities tweeting out all kinds of crazy things, like Gene Simmons, Elon Musk, and many others. This is a bit from Bitcoin.com. Basically, Gene Simmons had a discussion with Mark Cuban, and he said, "I had a discussion with Mark Cuban the other day, and he commented on something about Bitcoin." Simmons detailed, "He is changing too. The Buffett people are going to change. You cannot avoid it. I know that Goldman Sachs folks are looking at this, institutional money, and Scaramucci is looking at it," the musician added. He further said, "I don't believe for a second that most people understand what cryptocurrency is, what it is designed to do, but it is immediate and you don't have to deal with banks and I like that. Now, Dustin Planhole did an interview with Gene Simmons, and it looks like it's going to be released on Thursday, February 11th, so that's really exciting. I also noted, and I find this interesting, the conversation delves further into another 25 minutes, and during one point of the discussion, Simmons said he believes China is behind the recent Ripple lawsuit. Makes you wonder, are there ever any coincidences in this world? Perhaps. I'm curious to hear what he has to say about China and the Ripple XRP lawsuit. I also wanted to mention just this real quick. Dr. Schwartz here on Twitter, I think I just sparked something with Chorus X app, a music platform on the XRPL. They just minted their tokens on the XRP ledger. Hopefully they will airdrop to the XRP community, which will accelerate adoption and utility. So Chorus X tweeting this out a couple days ago. We have just created the Chorus X token on the XRP ledger. Max supply is 25 billion. The ticker is CX1. Connect and empower musicians, instruments, builders, and music stores by providing resources and services without hourly costs. So yet another project that is being minted on the XRPL. So another use case, more utility for the XRPL. This is going to be the future. But with regards to price, and we're constantly looking at price because price is what is important to us XRP hodlers. Mr. Miller brought this to my attention, and I got to give this guy full credit. He doesn't have many followers, guys, so if you guys are on Twitter, I suggest you follow Mr. Miller XRP. Brought this to my attention. I thought this was quite interesting. Look at this fractal pattern from 2017, and let's compare it to today. So XRP 2017 versus 2020/2021. Anyone know what happened to drop the price in 2017? So there was, in fact, a drop in price in 2017. We don't know what happened here. Hopefully, this video will give this tweet thread some more exposure. So if you guys have some idea on what happened to the price, either put it down in the comments of this video or add it onto this tweet thread. This is the 2017 fractal, and here's 2020. And so I decided to take a look at this myself. Let me just bring this up to you. Wow, Bitcoin just surpassed its all-time high, guys. So it's trading at about 43,000 right now, just to give you guys a sense of the market. Let's go back to XRP. Let's bring it back on the daily, and let me just clear some of these lines up here. Okay, so what he's looking at is this fractal down here, and I don't know if you guys can see it right at the beginning here. Okay, back in 2017, early 2017 to about mid 2017. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this fractal pattern here. And yes, XRP did rally after that in a large way. But let's take a look at this. And what he did was he was taking a look at this fractal pattern, and at first glance, it doesn't actually look like it matches up. But if you do extend this thing and you really just kind of maneuver it, you can see there is a similarity in pattern, right? You can see there was the uptrend over here. Okay, uptrend followed by the significant downtrend. There was that huge dip, the correction, another deeper cut. Then finally, XRP shot up in price, trying to match up to where this top was over here. You guys can see that, right? Here, let me see if I can bring that out a little further. Oops, bring that out a little further. Let me bring it down a little bit. This is very finicky. But it gives you guys a sense of, here, let me draw it out for you guys. So there was this top here, okay, right up here. Of course, we saw that slide down, and there were a few corrections along the way, like this one matches up to this. Of course, buyers tried to meet up at this high over here, couldn't make it up to that high. Sure enough, the price fell even further down here. Okay, this is all matching up. Tried to rebound up here, right? That matches up with this rebound. And of course, we came back down, but now we're making a higher low here. Came back down. This actually made a lower low. So this 2020/2021 pattern actually is technically more bullish than this one. Nevertheless, I'm still noticing these similarities. Came up here, okay, past this level of resistance. So of course, in this circumstance, we did come up here past this level of resistance. XRP then did come back down here, basing in this level here. You can see that. Came back down here, basing in this level here. So you guys can see the similarities. Then finally what happened was XRP price took off. And if we take a look at that, if we go right back to this area here, and you guys can see I took that pattern from here to here. From that point forward, guys, what we saw was XRP growth, and the magnitude of that was about 5,800%, almost 5,900%, 5,882% growth from this point here all the way to this point. And realistically, that didn't take long at all. That only took roughly 58 days, okay? So actually less than that, 55, 56 days, give or take. So less than 2 months to make a 5,882% gain. Now, of course, after that, XRP price just kind of meandered a bit before that last pop. But even if we took a look at this and we thought to ourselves, okay, less than 2 months, what has happened in the past and how can we apply that to today's price? Now, I don't think it's going to happen in 55 days. Of course, we have the SEC lawsuit. We have all these other factors that are involved in the space. But I have a feeling that once we see the clarity, we could indeed see this kind of price movement down the road. And if I bring the chart right back over here to the year 2020, 2021, let's remove all that stuff there. And we took a price range tool here, and we took it from here, guys, and we brought it up another 5,800%, okay? 5,800%, where would that bring XRP price? Well, let's just take that down there. We got to kind of squat that down a bit. 5,800% would indeed bring us all the way up here for XRP. 58, where was it? 5,800 give or take. It was almost 5,900. So if we bring it up here, okay, that would bring us right up here to a price target, guys, of over $25. $25.67 per XRP. So a really interesting fractal pattern here from Mr. Miller. Of course, we know where XRP went in 2017, rallied significantly. Don't know if this is how it's going to play out this time, or it might, although we might see this trend continue to extend and XRP move more or less sideways and maybe slightly upwards as the rest of the crypto market moves. But it just gives you guys another example of how fast XRP can move to the upside. $25 by the end of 2021. Of course, once we get the verdict from the court case, I have no doubt that this price point is very, very achievable. That's just my opinion, but I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.